Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to edit address Amazon Shopping on computer. So how to edit address Amazon Shopping on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on the Account menu. Now there will be lots of menu options. Tap your addresses here. Now it will appear like this. Tap Edit the address to be edited. Now the Edit menu will appear like this. Please edit the name, address, or phone number that you want to change. After finishing changing or editing, tap Update Address. So that's it, tutorial how to edit address Amazon Shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.